Trump breaking news. Donald Trump's legal case may worsen. The future trial of Stormy Daniels against President Trump may benefit greatly from testimony from the former chief financial officer of Trump's campaign, according to a top attorney. While Trump is facing criminal charges for alleged hush money payments to adult movie star Daniels, Brian M. Sullivan, an attorney for Hunter Biden and a founding partner at the Los Angeles-based firm Early Sullivan Wright Gizer and McRae, said to Newsweek that Alan Weisselberg might be the ideal witness to join the dots in this case. In a recent New York fraud trial involving Trump, Weisselberg allegedly admitted to lying and was prepared to help with authorities, New York Times, February 1, 2019. Cooperation likely will be part of the plea, but since the fraud trial has concluded, it would have to be in connection with some other case, most likely cooperation in the criminal case relating to alleged payoffs to Stormy Daniels, said Sullivan. Sunday, Newsweek emailed Trump's and Weisselberg's lawyers for response. As far as Sullivan is aware, the criminal prosecution of Daniel is the only case pending in New York, and Weisselberg may be able to connect the dots on the money that was used for the alleged payoff. Sullivan thinks Weisselberg might give crucial testimony regarding the payment to Daniels even if he isn't summoned as a witness. Even though he is not expected to be a witness in the Daniels case, he may end up being one if his cooperation provides relevant evidence, according to him. In 2016, the former president allegedly reimbursing his former lawyer Michael Cohen via a series of checks for hush money payments made to Daniels, and he allegedly agreed to a conspiracy to falsify records. In response to the 34 federal allegations against him, Trump has maintained his innocence and has claimed time and again that the investigation is a political witch hunt designed to destroy his presidential campaign. The trial is scheduled to commence in New York on March 25, and Daniels stated in January that she is set to testify in it. At this point, it is unclear whether Trump will opt to attend the trial, after Trump's federal interference trial in Washington, D.C. was postponed from its originally scheduled March 4 start date. The payments case is now set to be his next trial. In March 2023, the former president was charged with felonies by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, marking the first time a criminal prosecution has been brought against Trump. Separately, Trump was sued by New York Attorney General Letitia James for falsely misrepresenting the worth of his properties to secure more advantageous loans. In addition to demanding that Trump be indefinitely prevented from conducting business in New York, James is seeking $370 million. Since he is currently leading the Republican field for the presidency in 2024, Trump has insisted that he is innocent and that the investigation is politically motivated. A damages trial that lasted months followed Judge Arthur Engoron's ruling that Trump was guilty of fraud towards the end of last year. Engoron stated in early January that he would attempt to get his ruling by January 31 once the trial completed. Nevertheless, a representative from the New York court stated on Thursday that a decision is not expected until early to mid-February, and that the revised date is subject to modifications.